Construct the intellect and get it all injected in the center of your mind and get your thoughts dissected in front of the chosen few. Psycho is the one selected. Right here, the top of those that really make sense. It's the underground hip hop, son, we never stop. Even if we don't make dollar, but we still do the cyphers. I grab the microphone and represent. Yo, the top of those that really make sense. It's the underground hip hop. Yeah, fairness. Step on my category, the flow is inflammatory like chemicals in a laboratory. Can you handle the allegory of my editory? Pardon me, I'm very sorry. My rhymes are specific cases not to make you worry. Lyrical part of me, honestly, this is a prophecy fulfilled. This is my irisy at the tip of a quill. Deep with a skill, move so free as my will. When I step on the scene, mission is destroy and build these boys and girls. Slipping into the city of Kingsville. Be real, bro, like reality check. My honor is back, cause I go all the tapes and decks. Don't order your things to the format of the MP3s. When I step on a battle combat, I make us freeze with a lyrical steez. As critical as this killing disease, telekinetically I kill kids radically. I'm the lyrical bully cat and I'm ready to cut your whiskers off. Underground hip hop, son, we never stop. Even if we don't make dollar back, we still do the cycles. I grab the microphone and represent. Yo, the top of the really makes sense. Who you is? It's the underground hip hop, son, we never stop. Even if we don't make dollar back, we still do the cycles. Word out. Check it out, Beltron in the beat.
What's he on around here?
Taking over the mothership.
Yeah!
You know,
Cypher Tech, ladies and gentlemen. We're bigger than hip hop and we're crazy. We're bringing that shit back here. That's what give us, we're claiming it, you know what I'm saying? So that's that we going in. They know. Shit, we run this motherfucker. The problem is called for Cypher Tech. Cypher Tech is a proof, ladies and gentlemen. We're bigger than hip hop, you know what it is, and so love until something does happen, and you know what I'm saying? So happening like, damn.